Ford is doing something that most truck brands still won't do, and that's giving all F-150 trims access to real performance suspension without having to buy the most expensive truck on the lot. And honestly, this is the thing that every truck brand really needs to get on board with. Most brands gatekeep the best suspension within the highest top 1 or 2 trims. So if you want a better ride or take your truck just to the next level, you've got to really step it up in price. So you're talking about AT4X, ZR2, TRX, Raptor, just to get that suspension if that's what you're looking for. So Ford has done the thing that nobody else is doing, and they have an answer to this problem, and that is the Dark Trail package. So we're going to run through this really quickly. You get unique black wheels that are just for this truck. You obviously get some black lug nuts to go with that. You get Ford Performance suspension front and rear, so you get reservoir shocks in the rear and coilovers up front. You get some unique Dark Trail graphics. They remove the arrow, the mud flap that is right here in front of, and then you get your truck recalibrated to 33-inch tires. Now this kit does not come with tires, which is interesting, but they do recommend that you get 275/70 R18 general grabber all-terrain tires, which if you are familiar with Ford products, that is the tire that comes on the Ford Tremor. They will recalibrate to this tire. If you want larger tires, ask your dealer, maybe they'll recalibrate to larger tires, but for this kit specifically, you're looking at 33-inch all-terrain tires, which is great. It's going to get the job done. Quick look of like that's what it looks like with everything on there. So, but why does this actually matters? Like, let's get to the point of this. And the whole point of this is the suspension, not the rest of the stuff, not the wheels. The suspension is what matters. So this kit, this suspension, gives you 2 inches of lift up front. So it's a 2-inch leveling kit, but with Ford Performance Bilstein suspension, which obviously will be covered by warranty. To answer all the keyboard warriors that I know are getting started, it's not a Raptor, it's not long travel, but this is a meaningful upgrade from stock suspension. It's not going to get you to a Raptor, but this is going to ride so much smoother. I've owned a lot of Bilstein products. It will make a world of difference compared to your factory suspension. And on top of that, it's going to get you stance, get you bigger tires, and it's going to give you a much meaner look with unique 18-inch off-road wheels with this kit to make it stand out a little bit more. So the quick comment, real quick, that way I don't mislead anybody. You can add this to the XL, the STX, the XLT, and the Lariat, non-hybrid and non-diesel motors. You can add this to a new truck or a used truck, but for my GM people that I know are watching this video, because that's what we have historically covered, for my Silverado and Sierra owners, why this is different and why this matters, because a lot of people want not just the look of an off-road truck in a 2-inch lift, they want the functionality of the 2-inch lift. So GM offers the 2-inch lift, which has the Rancho shocks, which are not great off-road shocks. I've covered that extensively. You've seen that I put coilovers on my own truck, on my own Sierra. This kit gives you both. It gives you the functionality of performance suspension and the lift. GM gives you the 2-inch lift, and you can put bigger tires on it, which is great, but it's not getting you the performance. Anybody that's been down a washboard road with Rancho shocks can attest that they can crack their teeth as they rattle down the road with their really harsh, stiff suspension. This is going to perform great, and for most people, and for me, for a lot of years, this has been perfect package. Like, because Bilstein's ride super smooth. You handle some rocks, handle some bumps. It's going to get you to the campsite on the weekend. You're just going to have a great time, and you've got the off-road tires now to handle it. And on top of that, trucks cost so much, you're warranty covered with this off-road kit here. So I really think more brands need to be paying attention to this, but let me know what you think in the comments down below. Are other brands going to catch on to this, or is Ford going to fizzle this out and say, no, you're on your own? Because $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 trucks, and you're still working with really not great suspension, I think this answers a lot of people's hopes and prayers for getting a more capable truck without spending Raptor money. But anyways, let me know what you think. Leave your comments down below. If you like my videos, hit the subscribe button. Appreciate all the support, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.